Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello dear students and welcome to CET JEE classes of derivatives, and we are in the second question of second order derivative. Well, the second derivative of a sine cube t with respect to a cos cube t at t is equal to pi by 4 is. Well, this is a straightforward question. You have to take the first expression as u and the second as v, and find du by dt and dv by dt here, and hence you can find du by dv, or you can take this as x and then y. All right, so you can find derivative of x with respect to y, or the other way around. Well, so first let me take this as a sine cube t and the second quantity as x, which is a cos cube t. You can take u and v as well, doesn't matter, but we have to find the second derivative of du by dv or dy by dx, whichever is suitable to you. Now let me differentiate y with respect to t, because the parameter here is t. So find dy by dt first. So if you differentiate this with respect to t, a is a constant, sine cube is 3 sine square t into derivative of sine is cos, and then what is dx by dt, a, and once again 3 cos square t into derivative of cos is minus sine t. Now let us find dy by dx. So dy by dt, which is 3a and sine square into cos divided by see, this is minus and 3a, so minus 3a, and then you have got cos square into sine t, that minus I have taken here. All right, now cancel out 3a, sine also gets cancelled, cos, and what remains finally is minus sine by cos, right? So minus sine by cos is the tan, so minus tan t is dy by dx. Now what you got to find? You have to find the second derivative, so continue and find d square y by dx square. Okay, so this is derivative of minus tan t, minus as it is, derivative of tan is secant square t, right? Is it over? No, you have to differentiate t with respect to x, so that would be dt by dx, right? So now we have to substitute that dt by dx. So what is dt by dx? You know dx by dt, dx by dt is minus 3a cos square sine t, so you have to write the reciprocal of it, so 1 by minus 3a sine t cos square t. So I hope you understood this. We have dx by dt, now we have to write the reciprocal of it, that is dt by dx. Now we got to simplify this, or you can directly substitute pi by 4 in place of t and then continue with the answer, okay? Or you can simplify first and then you can do the substitution. So now this minus gets cancelled, you have got secant square t divided by 3a and then sine t. 1 by cos square is secant square. So finally what you are getting here is secant to the power 4, okay, square and square, and 3a sin t in the denominator. Well, so that is d square y by dx square. Now at pi by 4 you have to find that. Therefore let's substitute pi by 4 in place of t. That would be like secant to the power 4 pi by 4. Okay, in other words you can write this as to the power 4 just for your convenience, and then 3a sin pi by 4. Well, now what is cos pi by 4? 1 by root 2. So secant pi by 4 is reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that is root 2. So this is root 2 to the power 4 divided by 3a into 1 by root 2 sin pi by 4. What is this? Root 2 into root 2 4 times. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4, divided by this root 2 will go to the numerator, right, and 3a in the denominator. So well, so that is 4 root 2 divided by 3a. Option A is the answer for the second question. This was similar to the first one where you got dy by dx is tan t, and then you have to differentiate with respect to x. So remember to differentiate t with respect to x, which is dt by dx, and then you have got dx by dt, which has to be replaced in second order derivative. Well, so much for the second question. Now let's move to the third one. Okay, so third question, once again this is a simple question, log x by x, and finally we have to substitute e in place of x after finding y double dash. What is the meaning of y double dash? D square y by dx square, the second order derivative. So let's find y dash first. Differentiate with respect to x, and you have to use quotient rule here. So first x, derivative of log x is 1 by x minus log x as it is into derivative of x is 1 divided by the denominator square, so x square. Let's simplify. So you will have 1, correct, x into 1 by x, and minus log x divided by x square is the first order derivative. Now differentiate this again. So y double dash, you can take this x square here and then use the product rule, that would be better. Okay, so this is x square into y dash, 1 minus log x. Now differentiate once again with respect to x. So use the product rule for x square into y dash. So when you use the product rule here, first function derivative of y dash is y double dash plus second derivative of x square is 2x, and derivative of 1 is 0, log x is 1 by x. Well, now you can take y double dash, correct. So what is y double dash? Minus 1 by x and minus 2x y dash. So what you have to do is you have to substitute that y dash and then simplify it, right. So this looks a little complicated, so better to avoid this method. What you can do is you can differentiate this directly, right. So let's see, you will not get y dash, so there is no chance where you have to substitute y dash again. Alright, so that will save your time. So directly use quotient rule, x square, derivative of 1 minus log x is derivative 1 is 0, log x is minus 1 by minus log x is minus 1 by x, and then minus 1 minus log x, derivative of x square is 2x divided by denominator whole square. Okay, so this is still y double dash, and you have got minus x over here, and minus 2x into 1 minus log x divided by x to the power 4. Alright, so we got y double dash. Now finally we have to find y double dash of e. So this is y double dash of x, so this is in terms of x, right? Okay, so you have to find y double dash of e. That means in place of x you got to substitute e, so that turns out to be minus e, and here you have got 2e into 1 minus log e divided by e raised to 4. Just simplify this, you will get one of those options. So let's do that. Minus e and then minus 2e into 1, because log e is 0 to the base, log e is 1 to the base e, correct? Alright, so log e is 1, log 1 is 0, and this is e raised to 4, right? So that's like minus e divided by e raised to 4, because this will be 0 and the whole term 2e into 0 will be 0. So that's it, minus 1 by e cube is the right answer. So option D is the answer for third question. Let's move to the fourth one. Let's see, you have got x square plus y square is equal to 1. You can find the equation, you can write this equation in terms of y and then differentiate. Otherwise you can directly differentiate implicit form. Alright, in both the ways you will get the answer. You have to rearrange later. You have got y double dash, you have got y dash in all the equations. Alright, so let's begin. X square plus y square is equal to 1. That means y square is equal to 1 minus x square, derivative of this. So let us differentiate with respect to x. So you will get 2y, derivative of y square, into derivative of y. So derivative of y is y dash, derivative of 1 is 0, minus x square is minus 2x. Well, so you can cancel out 2 both sides, so you are left with y dash is equal to minus x. Let's differentiate once again, because we have y double dash in the options. So differentiate with respect to x, that will result into, see, you have to use the product rule over here. So first function derivative of second plus second function derivative of y is y dash, and derivative of minus x is minus 1. That's it. So what is the answer? You have got y dash plus this is y dash 2 times, so multiplied, so square, and minus 1 becomes plus 1, that's equal to 0. So y double dash plus y dash square plus 1 is equal to 0 is option B, and that's the answer for the fourth question. Well, that was easy, right? So you had to differentiate once, and because in the options you have y double dash, you have to differentiate twice. Let's go to the fourth question. Fifth question. Let's go to the fifth question. If x is equal to cos 4t and you have to find d square y by dx square, right? So you have to differentiate with respect to x, but that should be y So that is d square x by dt, dt square. Alright, so d square x by dt square you have to find. That means you have to differentiate x twice. Well, so plus b into sine 4t. Let's differentiate with respect to, is it x or t? See, we need d square x by dt square. So let's find dx by dt. So with respect to t, so that would be dx by dt on the left hand side, and a derivative of cos is minus sine 4t into derivative of 4t is 4 plus b, and derivative of sine 4t is cos 4t into derivative of 4t with respect to t is 4 derivative of 4t with respect to t. So that will be only 4, just like derivative of 4x with respect to x. Okay, so that also is 4. Well, now let me simplify this. So this will be minus 4a into sine 4t and plus this is 4b and cos 4t, which is still dx by dt. Now the last step, let's find d square x by dt square. So let's differentiate once again with respect to t. So d square x by dt square, minus 4a is a constant and sine 4t is cos 4t into derivative of 4t is 4, and then 4b derivative of cos 4t is minus sine 4t into derivative of 4t is 4 again. So multiply. So finally you have got minus 16a cos 4t, and here 4 into 4 again minus 16 sine 4t. Take minus 16 common, b. So if you take minus 16 common, you will have a cos 4t plus b sine 4t. Well, now what is it? So a cos 4t plus b sine 4t is x. So therefore your answer is minus 16x. Option A is the answer. That was also a simple question. Alright, so second order derivative is quite a simple task, provided you know how to find the derivative in the first hand. Well, so that's it for the chapter derivatives. In the next class, let's start with the next topic. So thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.